Hello students, in this video we will learn the Basic Proportionality Theorem BPT, or it is also called as an Thales Theorem. In exam they will ask state and prove BPT or state and prove Thales Theorem. Now first we have to write the statement. Look at the statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If you have understood the statement properly, then it's very easy to prove the theorem. Now look at the statement. We'll read word by word and understand the theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, first draw the triangle and name it as A, B, C. It is given a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. Let's consider this BC is one of the side and draw a line parallel to BC. Okay, and now name it as DE. A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. So I have taken two distinct points. Now look at this diagram and write the given data. So what is given? Triangle ABC is given and DE is parallel to BC. So in this theorem, what we need to prove? We need to prove the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Which are the other two sides? AB and AC, and it is divided in the same ratio. So AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. To prove this, we have to make some construction. Now look at carefully. Now draw a dotted line from B to E and D to C. So the construction is join BE and DC and draw a line EN perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. So from D, draw a line perpendicular to AC. First, we need to write the given, then to prove and construction. Come. Now let's start the proof. To understand easily, see, first consider the triangle. First of triangle which is on the top, you consider the triangle. The name of the triangle is ADE and you can see the triangle DEB. With that construction joining BE line, a triangle DEB is formed. First consider these two triangles. Now look at this diagram and start the proof. So we have taken two triangles, right? So write in triangle ADE and triangle DEB. In this two triangle, we need to find area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB. Now what is the formula to find area of triangle? Half into base into height. So first write half, then write the base. So base of this triangle will be AD and base of the triangle DEB will be DB. Next, we need to write the height of the triangle. So the perpendicular we have taken is EN. So EN will be the height of the triangle for both the triangles. Okay. Next, to make it easy to understand, first you write off and off. Next, what we need to prove? AD by DB. So this one you write it in the middle, and the height what we have taken EN you write in the numerator and denominator, so that it will get cancelled, and again write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEB is equal to AD by DB, and write it as equation 1. Now similarly, now we need to consider the triangle ADE and consider the triangle which is towards the left side, that is DEC. Now look at the triangles and continue the proof. In triangle ADE and triangle DEC, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equal to, we need to find the area, that is off into base into height. So write off. Then to find the base of these two triangles, we have considered AE and AEC, right? So that will be the base of the triangle. So you can observe this AE will be the base for triangle ADE and EC will be the base of triangle DEC, because the perpendicular we have drawn from D to M. So the perpendicular will be DM, DM. Now DM will get cancelled, off will get cancelled. So area of ADE by area of DEC is equal to AE by EC. This is equation number 2. We have obtained two equations. In the denominator we have DEB and DEC. These are the two different triangles. So start from there. Triangle DEB and triangle DEC is on same base DE, and it is between the parallel DE parallel to BC. Therefore, area of DEB is equal to area of DEC. This will be equation number 3. When two triangle is on the same base and between the parallel, then area of those two triangles will be equal. Now according to this statement, we have got the two triangles are equal. Now compare all the three equations from equation 1, 2 and 3. Compare all the three equations. Here in the numerator already ADE is same. So here we got DEB, DEC same. So LHS is equal, which implies the RHS of the two equations are equal. So therefore from equation 1, 2 and 3 you can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So what we have to prove? The two sides are divided in the same ratio. So we have obtained the Think and write. Hence, proved. Hope you have understood the BPT theorem. If you have understood the concept, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you.